Hello there, in this video I'm going to give you one easy tip on how to improve your UI design skills. So I've gone to Behance.net, and this is a popular platform that creatives upload their projects and their designs to. Okay, I'm going to go into the search and I'm just going to copy and paste in Sport App. So let's have a look at some of the results that come up. So we've got lots of mobile UI designs that are coming up for sport apps. Let's pick one and let's open it up. Okay, let's select this one here. Okay, so this seems to be a gym app, and what I would do is, let's scroll down a little bit through the case study and let's find some screens that we can have a look at. Let's go a bit further down. Okay, so for example I would take this, and the tip for you is to improve as a designer. The easiest way to do this is to copy. Okay, so you want to copy some of these designs just to understand how the things are laid out, how they were built, how they're organized in the structure of a page. Okay, so what I would either do is right click and save the image, or I would just on a Mac Command Shift 4 and take a screenshot. So just drag the cursor over, get that screenshot, go into Figma, chuck that into Figma like that, and that puts it on the canvas. So what I'd encourage you to do is F for the frame tool, select whatever mobile size you're going to be designing in. Okay, so what I'd do next after I've dropped the frame onto the canvas, I would option and drag. Let's just put this here over the frame. Let's option shift and just stretch out the design a little bit. And I would try my best to get it as balanced as I could within the frame. So just seeing if we can line it up. Hi, it's Mitch. Thanks for getting this far in the video. Be awesome if you could like or subscribe or add some comments, as this really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Anyway, thanks again, and back to the video. What I would then do is lock this layer. I would then go to the opacity here under fill, and I would drop that to 20%. So you can still kind of see the design seeping through in the background. And then I would just design over the top of it. So we'll add the heading, and then I would get the heading there. So we've added that, nutrition. And then I'd start to look at it and analyze it a little bit more and think, okay, so what kind of font size is this? Is this kind of a 16? Is this an 18? Let's kind of push that out a bit more, get as close as we can. What kind of font weight is this? Is this a medium? What kind of font is it? I mean, we're currently defaulting to Inter. Maybe it's not Inter, maybe it's a different font, so you can play around with that. So kind of go to 20. That seems to be getting close. Put that there, and then I'd move on to the next element. And then as you go throughout the board, designing the different elements on it, this will start to give you a feel for how things are being laid out on the page. Let's just round those corners. I'll just do that to 20 for now. And as you continue to build out this design and copy it, you'll start to understand the spacing that's being used, the typography, the sizes. The more and more you do this, the better you're going to get. And this is just a really easy way of doing it. And I've taken this example from Behance, but you can take any example from the internet. Obviously, you're not going to claim it as your own, but this is purely for building your skills as a designer. So it's all about repetition. So the more you do something, the better you're going to get. So I'd encourage you to go to your favorite website, or you can go to Google, type in UI design, or in the case of this, I've just typed in a sports app. Maybe you want to do something that's food related, so you could do a food app. Whatever it is, go in, copy the picture, put the image into Figma, drop a frame in, and start to copy and understand how they've built out this design. And the more you do it, the better you're going to get. So I hope this quick tip was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments what you thought. Like and subscribe, add some comments, and I will see you in the next video.